To ensure an optimal experience with your Philips TV, it is advisable to check for software updates regularly. The easiest way to do this is via Internet. First, make sure your TV is connected to the Internet. For this particular operation, a broadband connection is required. Then, press the Home button on your remote control. Select Settings, All Settings, Update Software and press OK. Select Search for Updates, Internet, and finally Start Now. The TV will then search for new software, which might take some time. Follow the on-screen instructions and when prompted, accept the terms and conditions for the software to be downloaded. During the upgrade process, the TV may reboot several times. Don't worry, this is normal. Once the update is finalized, you can also check the TV's newly installed software version. To do so, press the Home button on your remote control, select Settings, All Settings, and select Update Software, and then Current Software Info. The first line, Released Version, corresponds to the software version currently installed on your TV.